Society of British Aircraft Constructors show at Farnborough this year was bigger and better than ever. Interested crowds included invited representatives from over 60 countries. They were all there to see a display of the latest and best in British aircraft construction. The weather was ideal. Marshal of the Royal Air Force Lord Tedder was there, so were two others vitally interested in air defence, Mr. A.V. Alexander and Field Marshal Sir William Slim. There was plenty to interest them. This is the Sierra Air Horse, a 24-seater helicopter powered by a Merlin engine. Outstanding among the bombers was the Canberra B-1 made by the English Electric Company, a medium-range turbojet of tremendous speed and maneuverability. Then there was the Avro Ashton, the largest military aircraft in the show, a long-range maritime reconnaissance bomber. With the accent on peace, or so we hope, civil aircraft were obviously very much to the fore. Here's the de Havilland Comet, a 36-passenger jet airliner and the first of its kind in the world.